Okay, so hi, my name is Jessie and I'm an artist based in Montreal. And today I wanted to opt into this topic of logos and signature. Are you also an artist? And are you struggling to figure out whether you should make a logo or have like a very cool signature or something like that, so people can know or recognize your work? Well, even though the work should be able to speak for itself, but just like a way to put your print on a work. So today I'm gonna show you how I'm making my signature logo. Having a logo is cool when you have maybe like a product, or when you maybe have like a company that is not directly tied to you. But when you have your personal brand, I feel like having your signature is way more interesting. Why do I think that? Because everything today is AI and involves digital technology. I feel like having a human touch, meaning your signature, could be a cool way to differentiate. It's a very simple process. So if you're interested, keep on watching. And yeah. So here I am in my office space. So this is actually in my bedroom, but so I'm in front of my screen right now. So I'm just going to tell you which tools that I'm using for today. So basically I'm using a pen, so a very simple pen. I feel like the gel pen are the best to write, especially for this, for what we're trying to achieve right now. And then I have here my V600 Epson scanner, which is good. And then I have the program here open in my computer. And of course, you need a piece of paper. In my case, I already did the signature, so I'm just gonna show you which one I'm going to select and how I'm going to transform it into a digital item or a digital stuff. Okay, so for my own personal brand, I already have a signature. It's Jessie Emile, but this is on studio that I'm working on, and I've decided to go with the same. I've decided to take the same approach where I'm gonna make a signature and then have studios written as a computer writing. This one, I think this one is the best. I like to start with a paper and a pen when it comes to designing or like generating ideas. I'm taking this paper, and like I have here, I have my Epson app open in my computer. Okay, so here is the paper. It looks like there's a lot of pixels, but it's gonna be fixed once it's scanned. So I'm selecting this one, scan, and I'm gonna call it Emile Studios logo. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the scan. There it is. It's not clean at all. I feel like there's a lot of, you can see the pen and all this stuff, which is not a problem. It can be fixed. So I'm gonna open it on Photoshop and show you the rest. Okay, so now that Photoshop is opened, I'm going to show you exactly what I do to make it like a PNG. So I delete the background, it's background free, and how I revamp it so it looks more filled and also like more unified, if I can put it that way. So it'll be pretty simple. After that was done, I realized that I was not a big fan of the way Studios was written. This is the final logo. I've decided to simply let go of the signature and went with a more computed typo, but with the emphasis on the logo. So that's what I did. And I feel like it's less personal. It's more like, it feels, visually, it feels more like a corporation than like a personal business or small business, if that makes sense. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope this inspires you to create your own logo using the tools that you already have home, and start with a piece of paper and a pen. I think this is the best place to start. Enjoy, and good luck on your photography business or any business that you're in.